Hi, this is Heather Fiore, and this is Module 1. A little bit about myself and my family. I am married for 18 years. I have 4 children who are in elementary through high school. I live in Vineland, New Jersey. I was born and raised here. I am currently a media specialist and have been for 23 years. I work currently at the Vineland High School. It is a 2-building campus that services over 3,000 students. I mainly see 9th through 10th grade, but do also have some 11th and 12th graders as well. As you could see, the 2 pictures here are of my library, a small little snapshot of it. And like I said, I've been doing this for 23 years. As far as critical reflection on my school district, as far as data analysis and assessment, I feel I fall extremely short. So I don't know a whole lot about this other than what I do within my media area. And as far as the school district, I feel everything comes from downtown and is then implemented through our principal. So it's not that the principal is necessarily doing the data, it's our district offices that and supervisors that do the data and then provide this information to our principal, in which is relayed to us. Some teachers have a little bit of involvement in this, but overall I would say it's more of a downtown thing. So I'm eager to see what this class holds and what is expected of the principal with data analysis and assessments, because I feel like I am far reached from knowing what to do on that particular aspect. My personal knowledge would be that I know what the data analysis and assessments are needed for. You know, you want to look at the student's performance, find the strengths and weaknesses, and that will help in making decisions to change your program, make adaptations for specific areas for certain kids, and so forth. So I have an idea of what the data is used for. In my own personal area of media specialist, I use data to decide, what things I'm purchasing, what things we're doing away with, what things are no longer out, that are outdated. I look at the kids and who's coming to the library to see how we can motivate other students and so forth. So I do my own data analysis within my system of being a media specialist and utilize it to promote, academics and strengthen our library. But outside of this classroom data, I am far reached from it. They don't share much of it unless it's at a faculty meeting, and trying to get that information is hard. Well, my proposed plan to learn more, for one, would be to take this class for one and, maybe reach out a little more to my principal and see if they can help. Unfortunately, I have a brand new principal, so she's just trying to keep things together this year and, reach her goals. Something I would do as a principal, I would create teams maybe that would meet weekly to discuss and review some of the projects, the assessments, or writing samples that they've done in the past week to see what worked, what didn't work, how can we adjust the lessons to create better lessons or adjust it to create better curriculum. So that's something that I would do as an administrator to help my staff and my students in each area. I think breaking it down into teamwork really helps out. Everybody has their input and they're able to look at things as a whole. So as far as this class, I am really looking forward to this, hopefully learning a lot of what can help me better assess and provide analysis for my school. And I thank you for listening.